Hello sir. Open your code, select all and copy. Now open this link, I sent it already. Paste your code in the first section here. Paste. Now click on make slots. When you click here, some fields appear like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Title, price, extra price and description. So we need to copy one by one all of them. So first of all, for photos, images, simply click on enlarge the image, then right click and copy image address. Remember, copy image address, copy and paste. For the second image, copy image address and paste, copy image address and paste. For fourth, copy image address. So if we have, like, let's have 4 images, so you can leave this box 5 empty. Otherwise you can copy any other image, same image you can paste it. So now for title, so for title case, simply click copy the title, select all and copy and paste. For price, so for price, this one, the actual price is this one. Here you need to actual price, that of your product, and here is the extra price, like any, you can put any of that, like 6.9999, like extra price, like competitor price. You can call anyone, you can say anything. And now for description, so description, simply copy your description text, copy. Now open this tool. This tool we use to convert the text into HTML. You can text right here also, edit also. So simply paste your text here and then click on HTML. When you click here, this code is ready. Simply copy this code, copy, and now paste for description. Now when everything is done, like images, title, price, extra price and description, so simply click on make code. When you click here, this code is ready for your eBay. But if you want to test it, how it's look like that, simply click on preview. When you click here, here is the title, the price, the extra price, images, and here is the description. I hope you understand. Thanks.